Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on POCO F7 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see logo on your screen. And you are now in recovery mode, and here you have to navigate with volume buttons and select with power button. So now you have to move to wipe data and then press power button. And then move to wipe all data and press power button again. Now you have to move to confirm and press power button. And then select back to main menu and now select reboot and select reboot to system. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.